All right. So let's look at this question. They said a tank in the shape of a cuboid, or a cuboid is 7 meters. 3 meters. And 2 meters deep. Full stop. How many liters of water can the tank hold when it is full? How many liters of water can the tank hold when it is full? So the question again, they said a tank in the shape of a cuboid is 7 meters in length, 3 meters wide and 2 meters deep. How many liters of water can the tank hold when it is full? So now what do we do from here? From here, I write my solution. What are the parameters I have? I have is that length is what? 7 meters. Width is 3 meters. And the depth is 2 meters. Of course, my volume of cuboid is length times is unknown. Our formula is volume of the cuboid is equal to L times breadth times H, which would be what? 7 times 3 times 2, which will give us 42 meters cubed. Now, that is the answer in meters cubed. But the question said that we should leave our answer in what? In liters. Now, how many liters or how many meters cubed makes a liter? What's the relationship? Now, if you recall from the previous video, from the last class, that 1 meter cube is equivalent to 1,000 liters. Do you recall this? 1 meter cube is equivalent to 1,000 meters. So now, we have what? 42 meters cubed. That was what we obtained from this question. So that would mean that, therefore, that would be 42 times 1,000 liters. And that will give us 42,000 liters of water. That means that 42 meters cubed is equivalent to what? 42,000 liters of water. I'm going to take a look at another question. Let's write that. Let's write this. The capacity of a tank, a rectangular tank is 52,700,000 cm cubed. Full stop. Now they said the tank is 8 meters and 50 cm long and 6 meters 20 cm wide. Full stop. What is the depth? What is the depth of the tank in meters? Now, if you look at this question, you'll notice that the units are not the same or true. The units are not the same. Now, what do we mean? The capacity or the volume of the tank is given to you in centimeters cube. Now, the length of the tank is given to you in what? Meters and centimeters, as well as the width. However, they want you to leave your final answer in meters. So you can see that there's a bit of an issue with regards to the what? The unit. With regards to the unit. Now, one way to go about it is either you decide to convert everything to centimeters, that is all the values are given. It's either you decide to convert everything to centimeters and then change the answer back to meters, or you start by changing all of what you have here to meters and then changing the final answer to centimeters. But in my own case, I would like to go for what is easier to do. So what is easier for me to do is to work in centimeters and then convert the final answer. So in this case, I won't have to start converting one after the other. I'll just convert the final answer to meters cube. All right, so now let's write out our parameters. What are the parameters we have? The first one is this, which is telling us about the capacity, which coincidentally is also the volume. So the volume of the tank, let's just say volume or capacity, is 52,700,000 centimeters cube. And then now they said the length of the tank, let's just represent that with L, is 8 meters and 50 cm. Now remember, we want to convert it to what? Now remember that what? Recall that 1 meter is equivalent to what? 100 centimeters. So since you have 8 meters here, that means you have 800 centimeters, which is going to be what? 800 plus this 50 centimeters you have here. So that will give you 850 centimeters. Now, in the same vein, you have the width, which coincidentally is the breadth, is equal to 6 meters and 20 centimeters. So that will be, of course, 6 meters is 600 centimeters. So this is 600 plus 20, which is 620 centimeters. Now, looking at this from this aspect, we know that our height, which is our depth, is what we are looking for. So we leave that here. So now, what do we do next? Looking at this, remember that our formula is of a rectangular tank, or a cuboid tank, is V is equal to length times breadth times height. Now in this case, we're looking for our height, which is also our depth. We're looking for that. So what we do, we make H the source of the formula, so meaning that H would be equal to the volume divided by length times breadth. The volume divided by length times breadth. So that will be H is equal to, what's our volume? Our volume here is 52,700,000 divided by 850 multiplied by 620. So our H here would be equal to, let's divide that. Let's divide that. Let's divide that. So that will give us 100. 100. So of course, what will be the unit? That is 100 centimeters cube. That will be 100 centimeters. Centimeters. Not centimeters cube. Centimeters. That is 100 centimeters. So that would mean that if we are leaving our answer in meters, remember, what is the depth of the tank in meters? So what do? Recall that what? 100 centimeters is equivalent to 1 meter. So remember that this is 100 centimeters. We obtained 100 centimeters. So definitely it means that the depth of the tank is equals to 1 meter or 1 meter. And that's our answer. All right. A square base tank with height 1.5 meters is filled with water. It's filled with water. Full stop. Now, if one side of the base, if one side of the base is 80 centimeters long, find the capacity of the tank in A, centimeters cubed, B, liters, and C, kiloliters. In fact, let's go a step further. D, centiliters, and E, milliliters. So I believe this about wraps up everything we need to understand in terms of what conversion. So now let's take a look at the question again. They said a square base tank. So that tells you that what? That length, or probably, the length and the breadth of the tank is what? Are the same. They have the same height. Are you following me? A square base tank with height 1.5 meters is filled with water. Full stop. Now, if one side of the base is 80 cm long, find the capacity of the tank. So the first part of the question said you find the capacity.
Sir.
Yes. The first part of the question you find the capacity in centimeters cubed, and you should also find it in liters, kiloliters, centiliters, and milliliters. So let's start with. Now, if you look at this, what are the parameters you have? Solution. What are the parameters you have? The parameters you have, they give you the height or the depth. Height or depth as what? 1.5 meters. And you are also given the length as what? 80 centimeters. Now, remember that I told you that it's a square base tank. So that's where the trick is. So automatically the breadth is also 80 centimeters. But recall, look at this. This is meters. This is centimeters. So you cannot work with it together. So now, remember what I told you. Is either you convert to meters or you convert to centimeters. But if I were to be the one, I would rather convert to centimeters, since my first question deals with what? Centimeters. So I don't need to start converting back again. So what I'll just do is I'll convert this to centimeters. Now recall that, so all these things, all those, the tables, like a table, you should have them. You should know them off, you know them by heart. Recall that 100 centimeters is equivalent to 1 meter. So that would mean that what? 1.5 meters is equal to 1.5 times 100, which is 150 centimeters. So what this means is that this is 1.5 times 100, which is 150 centimeters. So that about wraps that up. So now what's the volume? The volume of the tank. Volume of the tank is going to be equal to what? Length times breadth times height, which would be what? 150 multiplied by 80 multiplied by another 80. So if you multiply that through, what do we get? That would be 960,000 centimeters cubed. 960,000. So that means we've answered the first part of the question. We've answered the first part, so you can tick it off. That you've answered the first part of the question. Now, what's the relationship between centimeters cubed and liters? Now recall also that these are things you need to know. Recall also that from your table, you record that 1 liter is equivalent to 1,000 centimeters cubed. So when you have 1,000 centimeters cubed, it is equivalent to 1 meter. So that would mean that since the volume you have here is 960,000 centimeters cubed, and then you have this relationship here. So of course, we need to get the value of this thing in liters. So what do we do? That would mean that was X liters would be equal to 960,000 centimeters. So look at it, liters under liters. You don't know the value of this, but that's what you're about to get here. So that means your X liters, if by the time you multiply and divide, that would be 960,000 divided by 1,000. So this becomes, that means in liters, this is 960 liters. So what that means is that 960 centimeters cubed is equivalent to what? 960 liters. Now, that's that and that. So that means that's it. So now you move on to kiloliter. Don't say kiloliter. Kiloliter means that, remember I told you that kilo means 1,000. Kilo means 1,000. So 1,000 liters is equal to 1 kiloliter. Now, for this question, you have 160 liters, which is what we're paying here. 160 liters, I hope you can see the board. It equals to X kiloliters. So what do? We cross multiply. So that means we're going to have X kiloliters to be 960 divided by 1,000. So that will mean that this is 0.96 kiloliter. So you answered that of kiloliter. Now remember that we also have centiliter. Now 1 liter, so that will be D. Remember 1 liter or 100. 1 liter is equivalent to what? 100 centiliter. And when do we usually use centiliter? Our pure water factory and the rest. Are you getting me? 1 liter is equivalent to what? 100 centiliters. So that would mean that if you look at this, let's use this liter as the standard. 960 liters would be equal to what? X centiliter.
So by the time you
cross multiply, what will happen? Your X centiliters. Where is that?
Yes, sir.
So X centiliters equals to 960 divided by 100, which would be 9.6 centiliters. That's what it would mean. Then the last part is that of milliliters. Now, what's the relationship? The relationship is this: 1 liter. 1 liter is equal to milliliter. 1,000 milliliter. Milli means 1,000 milliliter. So therefore, that will be 960 liters is equal to what? X milliliter. Now by the time you multiply, centiliter will be equals to sorry, there's an error here. By the time you cross multiply this should give you, this will be 960 times 100, which will be 96000. So that will be 96,000 centiliters. Now, in the same way, that's what will happen here. This will become 960,000. That is 960,000 milliliters. Sorry about that. So those are our answers. Those are our answers. Like I said, once you understand the relationship that holds them, you should be able to solve any question on it.